Now that some of the students have graduated and they're seeing some of their friends or people they've gone to school with getting jobs at Lockheed or working for Lockheed Martin, and they're coming back telling them, hey, what you're learning is beneficial, you need to pay attention. That is really the best exposure we could ask for. I mean, our students they're doing well post-secondary.
My name's Clint Walker. We're at Diboll High School, and this is the Engineering Manufacturing Lab. It's not just who you would think of as engineering kids. It's kids from every facet of society at this point. And some of them I find and bring in and they really start to like it. Others of them, they know that this is what they want to do. With this stuff in here and they're actually getting to do a lot of different things, they're liking what they're doing and they're seeing how this can help them when they leave high school. We started off 2 years ago with a freshman group, and they were kind of our original cohort, and now they're moving on to SACA 1 and 2 and getting other certifications.
We have the parents come through, they are in awe of everything that their kids have the opportunity to utilize, and I hear a lot of them saying, wow, I wish we'd had this. I wish we'd had this when I was in school. And I see some of their siblings will come back with them to take a tour because they're like, I heard about this, I want to see this. And they say the same thing, wow, I wish we'd had this. And the parents, I hear them also telling their kids, you've got a great opportunity in front of you, you need to take advantage of it. Here in CTE, we're trying to create a workforce that's not only works for today, but it also works for tomorrow.
We were actually guinea pigs for the first,
Yeah.
it was like a little trial era that we had freshman year, so we tried it, and apparently it worked, and we've been here ever since.
Yeah, at the beginning of the year, we're like telling our friends to get into robotics. It's all fun, but it also helps us in the end. But yeah, you have a lot of fun with it at the same time, which makes it easier to learn things.
I've been teaching for 14, 15 years, and I finally feel like I'm teaching something that will actually help kids in the real world. And they'll actually take with them and use for the rest of their life. We have one student right now that has a paid internship to Lockheed Martin. We have another student who graduated last year. He started working at Lockheed Martin, which is a wood manufacturing plant, and he was able to, he took a test and he got a bump in pay, and he actually scored the highest on it over people that had been working with the company or in that environment for 10 years. So, and I talked to him about it, and he said, Mr. Walker, is everything you taught us? And he was like, I think it was a light bulb moment for him and me, because he both realized that all that nagging I was doing on them, it actually paid off in the end for him. And that was a big deal for me, because I was like, hey, it actually does work.